One of the great features of the Accordance community are the status updates that allow us to provide a roadmap to customers and show customers what we're working on, what we've already completed, and some other things that we are planning to release in the pipeline. Now, how this works is with most of the feedback that's submitted to the Accordance community, we mark the feedback as submitted once we have reviewed the feedback, and you'll see it here at the bottom of the screen. Now, for feature requests and module requests, those will generally eventually be in two categories, either planned or not planned. So here's a piece of feedback. Again, we have planned here at the bottom of the screen. Sometimes we'll also put the tag next to the title as well. And planned means that we have reviewed this and we are planning on releasing this feature or module request in Accordance at a later date. Once we have begun working on a piece of feedback, then sometimes we will mark the feedback in progress, and you will again see it at the bottom of the feature or module request. For example, if I go to the section of the new enhanced syncing feature, this shows in progress. That means we are working on this feedback that is being addressed. Once we have completed a feature request or a module request or a piece of feedback, then we will mark it completed. Again, here at the bottom of the screen, sometimes we'll also mark it here next to the title. That means that we have completed this piece of feedback. Now, for bug reports, the default tagging that we will usually use for those is we will use either confirmed or not confirmed, and I'll give an example of this. So, for example, this is a bug report that we've been able to reproduce. So here at the bottom of the screen, we are marking it confirmed. That's letting our programming team know that we have clear steps to reproduce this and we have confirmed the bug report. If for some reason we're unable to reproduce a bug report that's been submitted, we will mark it not confirmed, and we may ask the customer or the community for some additional steps to attempt to reproduce this bug report, so that if we can reproduce it, then we can more effectively get it over to our programmers and attempt to resolve it in a future update. And again, bug reports can also use the in progress and completed feature statuses as well. Now, for questions on the Accordance community, once a question has received a sufficient amount of answers, many times we will mark them answered as well, again here at the bottom, and then sometimes next to the title as well. So this is a way that you can see what questions on the community have been answered, and know that you can focus your attention on questions that have not been answered yet, and you can go and answer some of those questions as well. So with these new features in the Accordance community, this allows you to see a roadmap at a glance at what Accordance is working on, or has completed, or is in progress, or is planning to work on. Plus, you can see what questions have or have not been answered, so you can see where you want to chime in.